Okay, yesterday we uploaded and installed the passive income software called Massive Income Machines. And today we're going to actually activate the system real quickly here. So we're going to go back to the website you created and log into the site. You just simply go to your login, use your name and password that you used yesterday, and you'll be able to go straight to your administrative dashboard. I've already logged in, so I'm just going to go right to the dashboard right now. And I'm going to take you down to the Massive Income Machine software here, and we're going to go to Edit Settings. This is where you're going to actually activate the site and make sure that everything is ready to go. You can create massive income by creating multiple websites, content from Amazon, articles, YouTube, all this stuff on the subdomain. So we're just going to tell it to install this. You put your email address in there, your network title. And here it says completing the steps. Message WCAM has been backed up. Access file has been set up. Directory blog. Once you complete these tasks, you will log in. So go ahead and do that. And you'll log back in. Now, if you haven't waited the 24-hour period, this isn't going to work. You need to wait that 24 hours before this will work. So we're going to go back into Edit Settings here after I log back in, and you can see everything is ready to roll. What we're going to do is we're going to add in our email address. And then the keyword for the root domain, okay? This has got to be something very simple. Let's just go, in this case, I'm going to go Internet Marketing. And submit feeds to RSS search feeds. Yes, we want to do that. Submit already existing posts if you have them on your site, that's fine. If you want to enable spinning, an article spinner to make your content unique, you can do that by clicking on this link here. It will take you out to a great email service called, or spinner called Best Article Spinner. And you'll just simply get you'll buy that. It's an annual fee of $77. You put your username and password and then any keywords you don't want to spin. And then here's your templates for the website. And this again is very straightforward. This is where you're going to add in your code for your advertisements. And then you want to select WP Cron and it will automatically update for you. Now we're going to go over the advertisements later on, but literally you stick them in here and then all the websites you create will automatically have your ads on them. It's going to be very easy to use that way. It doesn't create a whole lot of issues for you. Okay, so what we've done is gone ahead and set that up and we have saved this so that our configuration for the root domain is there. What will happen is we'll start seeing content on the root domain. Now we're in what we call multi-site mode now. So when you come over here to My Sites, you're going to have the network admin, which is always the root domain, whatever your domain name without a subdomain, that's your admin site. Will always be that, and you'll be able to go in here and your root domain will always be your first domain on there. I like by design. If we go look at it, there won't be any content yet, but there will be in a little while because the cron job will fire up. A cron job just tells it to automatically do something on a scheduled basis. So we set that up as a WP cron, which builds it right into WordPress. You can use Unix crons if you want. There's no reason to. Then you want to go into your aggregators. These are RSS feed directories that we want to post content to. Just activate them. In some cases, you may have to create an account. What this is going to do is every post you make is going to automatically go out and post to these directories. What that does is it creates search backlinks automatically to your site. It also helps your site get crawled by other systems that are needed in order to create traffic to your website. Okay, so we've gone through settings, and we've gone through aggregators. Now we're going to talk about building websites on the subdomain, which is basically the purpose of this system. It's going to allow you to build up to 200 subdomains. But you've got to create a template first. And you just create a template. Add a new site. We're adding a new site. I'm going to call it template. This would be iLife by Design. in my password. I'm going to go ahead and add this site. Now this is going to actually create a template called template.iLifeByDesign. We're going to use this when we create additional websites. Now to create the subdomain based websites, go back to your root domain dashboard, and then you go down to subdomain websites, and then what you do is you create a subdomain by adding a keyword, and that keyword is going to be used to generate your content for your web. So in this time I'm just going to type in MLM for multi-level marketing, and then we'll just pick this Life by Design, set as the default article. We want to download the pages, categories, links, everything, and just click next. So what that's going to do is create a subdomain automatically called MLMLifeByDesign.com. And there's not going to be any content on there yet because it hasn't run through its process, but you can see nothing is found there. And this is basically mimicking the root directory that we created. So you can create as many, up to 200 of these as you want. It could be CPA marketing. We want to use the same template. So you can see you could build a bunch of websites. Now, if you remember when we did this in the settings, I told you we were going to add in the advertisements here. The beautiful thing is whatever advertisements we put here will automatically be on all these subdomain websites. So as this website starts to propagate and there starts to be new content posted on there, you're going to have ads on there as well. And the ads will be contextual. In other words, if you're writing about MLMs, then it will be MLM content. If you're writing about CPA marketing, it's going to be CPA marketing content. If you're writing about other things, it will be that. So whatever your keyword is in a phrase is going to be up front, and your ads are going to match that. Okay, here you can see it's already posted the first article in the root domain. And it's also posted a YouTube video. So you're getting automatic content, you're getting automatic videos, you're going to have ads that display automatic. It's going to work on all your subdomains, and it's this content that's going to get syndicated out with the ads in it that are going to really make a big difference and start generating money for you.